if/else in a list comprehension. How do I replace all the nones with empty strings, and then call some function f?
You can totally do that. It's just an ordering issue. In general. And, for list comprehensions with if conditions only. Note that this actually uses a different language construct, a conditional expression, which itself is not part of the comprehension syntax, while the if after the for, in is part of list comprehensions and used to filter elements from the source iterable. Conditional expressions can be used in all kinds of situations where you want to choose between two expression values based on some condition. This does the same as the ternary operator ? column that exists in other languages. For example,
let's use this question to review some concepts. I think it's good to first see the fundamentals so you can extrapolate to different cases. Other answers provide the specific answer to your question. I'll first give some general context and then I'll answer the question. Fundamentals. If/else statements in list comprehensions involve two things. List comprehensions, conditional expressions, ternary operators. 1. List comprehensions. They provide a concise way to create lists. Its structure consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for clause, then 0 or more for or if clauses. Case 1. Here we have no condition. Each item from the iterable is added to new _list. Case 2. Here we have one condition. Example 1. Condition: only even numbers will be added to new _list. Example 2. Condition: only even numbers that are multiple of 3 will be added to new _list. But how come we have one condition if we use 2 if in new _list? The prior expression could be written as: we only use one if statement. This is like doing Example 3. Just for the sake of argument, you can also use or. Condition: even numbers or numbers multiple of 3 will be added to new _list. Case 3. More than one condition. Here we need the help of conditional expressions, ternary operators. 2. Conditional expressions. What are conditional expressions? What the name says, a Python expression that has some condition. First, the condition is evaluated. If condition is true, then exp1 is evaluated and returned. If condition is false, then exp2 is evaluated and returned. A conditional expression with more than one condition. An example from real Python. The value of s is conditioned to age value. 3. List comprehensions with conditionals. We put list comprehensions and conditionals together like this. Condition: even numbers will be added as even, the number 3 will be added as number 3, and the rest will be added as odd. The answer to the question. Here we have a problem with the structure of the list, for x and xs should be at the end of the expression. Correct way. Further reading. Does Python have a ternary conditional operator?
The specific problem has already been solved in previous answers, so I will address the general idea of using conditionals inside list comprehensions. Here is an example that shows how conditionals can be written inside a list comprehension. Note that in the first list comprehension for x_non_str, the order is expression for item in iterable if condition. And in the last list comprehension for x_str_changed, the order is expression 1 if condition else expression 2 for item in iterable. I always find it hard to remember that expression 1 has to be before if and expression 2 has to be after else. My head wants both to be either before or after. I guess it is designed like that because it resembles normal language. For example, I want to stay inside if it rains, else I want to go outside. In plain English, the two types of list comprehensions mentioned above could be stated as with only if. Extract _apple for apple in apple_box if apple_ is _ripe. And with if/else. Mark _apple if apple_ is _ripe, else leave it unmarked for apple in apple_box.
One way. Although then you have. Or you can use a lambda inline.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.